Hello everyone in MedicalScribe. I'm Karar Haidar, student at Baghdad Medical College. In the previous video, we talked in general about the skeletal system, in which we took a look at the components of this system and we knew how to divide it. After that, we explained the main functions of this skeleton. While in this video, our topic will be an introduction about the first division of the skeletal system, which is the axial skeletal system. As you know previously, the skeletal system bones can be classified either regionally or according to their shapes. So, in the regional classification, we will divide the bones into two divisions: the axial skeletal system and the appendicular skeletal system. If we come to see the axial skeletal system, we should know at the first place what is the meaning of the axial word, which is originated from axis. The axis means the central point around which the other structures are distributed. And here it will refer to the bones that are located close to or along the central axis of the body. So the bones of the axial skeleton are in the center or in the axis of the body. Alright, from what we said, we can conclude that the axial skeleton is the bones that form the central axis of the body. This axial skeleton includes 80 bones in the adult human body, distributed in the following regions: the skull bones, the auditory ossicles, the hyoid bone, the vertebral column or the spine, and we have the sternum and the ribs that will form the thoracic cage or the rib cage. Well, every region has some details that we should understand as we're talking about anatomy introduction, because it will help us when we start the regional anatomy. So every region will be explained with its most important details in the upcoming videos, in which we will understand its features, characteristics, and functions. What is important to know right now is to understand how the axial skeleton bones is being distributed throughout the body. Alright, now we will take a look at the axial skeleton functions in general. These functions should be understood because it will clarify the importance of this type. The first function, which is extremely important, is that the axial skeleton will maintain the upright posture of the human. That means the human general shape and its upright posture will be maintained by this skeleton, because this skeleton will transmit the weight from the head, the trunk, and the upper extremities down to the lower extremities. The second function is that the axial skeleton will provide a support and a protection for the brain, the spinal cord, and the organs that found in the body cavities. While the third function is that the axial skeleton will provide an attachment point for the muscles that will move the head, the neck, and the trunk, and also it will help in performing the respiratory movements and in stabilizing the parts of the appendicular skeleton, which is the second division of the skeletal system. So these were almost all important details and an introduction about the axial skeleton. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video, and goodbye.